In the near future, Volkswagen is set to completely rethink its entire model lineup. As we already know, all upcoming models will transition to fully electric powertrains, marking a major shift toward an all-electric future. Despite this transformation, some legendary names are here to stay. Iconic badges like the Golf and GDI will continue into the next generation, while other models will be evaluated individually by the manufacturer. The company's director has also confirmed exciting news for performance enthusiasts. The next generation Golf will still feature high-performance R variants, keeping its sporty DNA alive even in the electric era. Although no official prototypes have been revealed yet, exclusive renderings give us a glimpse of what this hot hatch could look like. The new model is expected to retain its signature identity while adopting a more modern and futuristic design. This may include redesigned headlamps, unique bumper styling, and a full-width rear light bar that enhances its bold presence. On the technical side, it's confirmed that the upcoming model will be built on Volkswagen's new SSP platform. This suggests that the next generation Golf won't arrive anytime soon, with expectations pointing toward a debut no earlier than 2028. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.